going on, folks? I want to make this video because I get questions sometimes from people asking me about are they going to be able to jump an electric vehicle just in case the battery was to go dead on it? And the answer to this is yes and no. On electric vehicles, you actually have two batteries. You have one that's in your vehicle that's the same as your traditional gas powered vehicles, which is a 12-volt battery that's up underneath the hood. And sometimes when this battery goes dead, or if this battery does go dead, you won't be able to start your vehicle up because this battery most likely is going to be controlling your ignition system as well as like your accessory lights and all that. So if this battery was to go dead, then you won't be able to drive your vehicle. But on this one, fortunately, you can actually jump this battery with another vehicle. But it's not recommended that you jump this battery with another electric vehicle. So you probably want to go ahead and find either a gas powered vehicle or use a jumper box to jump this one. And also, you don't want to jump the 12-volt battery in your vehicle while you're charging up the actual electric battery that runs your vehicle, the big battery that runs your vehicle pretty much. And now, as for your second battery, which is your biggest battery, the one that actually makes your vehicle run, you're not going to be able to jump that battery. If that battery was to go dead, you're not going to be able just to find somebody with their vehicle to jump this one. So in this case, you'll probably have to go ahead and get a tow to get your vehicle towed somewhere to have that battery charged up. And on some of these vehicles, you won't be able to actually get it towed on a regular tow truck. You actually have to have it put up onto a lift truck. It means that all wheels have to be off the ground to tow it somewhere. But on most of your electric vehicles, you have all type of warnings and all that letting you know if your electric battery is going dead. If your main battery that runs your vehicle is going dead, normally you'll have like all type of indicators and warnings that's letting you know that this battery is going dead. So you should be able to get to some type of a charging station within maybe 50 miles, or some of them even give you like 100 miles before it completely cut off on you. So to answer your question about can you jump an electric vehicle, yes, you can jump a 12-volt battery that's underneath your hood the same way you would a traditional vehicle. And for the second part, no, you're not going to be able to jump the actual battery that's running your vehicle. So if you have an electric vehicle, it's important for you to pay attention to how much power that you have left to be sure that you don't run out of electricity, because if so, you'll be stranded and you'll have to get your car towed somewhere to have the vehicle charged. All right, I just wanted to make that video to kind of clear up some confusion that some people have about being able to jump an electric vehicle. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell. Thanks.